Want to switch video file formats in OBS Studio? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to change the recording output format with ease. Open OBS Studio. Click the File tab in the top left corner, then select Settings. On the left menu, choose Output. Under the Recording section, find the Recording Format drop-down menu. Select your preferred format, for example, FLV, MP4, MOV, MKV, TS, or M3U8. Click OK to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.